The A-team women in 2, abreast of the creek in 3. Central Coast Survivors women in 4, St. Petersburg in 5, and the FLCC Dragon Alliance in lane number 6. Take a look at the big screen. Closest one to you folks, you'll see who's in what lane. With my bionic eyes, it looks like it is boat number 5. Currently in the lead. St. Petersburg in lane number 5, followed by number 4, Central Coast Survivors Women. Seven and 8, nobody's in those races, those lanes, sorry. Closest lane to Rogers Arena is lane number 1. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1 to the north, go all the way down south to lane number 8. Again, this is the Dove and Degree Women's Rec D Championship Race. Race number 83. FLCC Dragon Alliance currently in the lead in lane number 6. You can see the ladies now passing the 3/4 mark. And you got 5, 4, and 6 really doing really well. Who's going to take first place? Is going to be 5 or 6. 5, St. Petersburg. I think it's going to be boat number 6. It's going to be the FLCC Dragon Alliance unofficially taking the win. I'm going to go 6, 5, 4. Possibly 1, 2, and 3. Racing for 4th. Oh, it did go 3, 2, 1. Well done, ladies. That brings a conclusion to the Dove and Degree Women's D Championship Race.